Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Dr. Sadia Zafar and today I will discuss about the extinct species. Extinct species are those species that disappear from the earth or extinction of a particular animal, plant or any type of living organism when there are no more individuals of that species alive anywhere in the world. Means around the globe, no one individual is present, and examples are Western African black rhinoceros, passenger pigeon, and many other examples of extinct species which we will discuss in this lecture. What is extinction? The end of an organism and basically a species called extinction. Extinction occurred when last member of species die. If over an extended period of time the birth rate of the species is less than the death rate, then extinction will eventually occur. What are the causes of extinction of any species? Overhunting, habitat loss, highly specialized species, pollution, and new species introduction and competition in that ecosystem. These are the causes of the extinction. Human wildlife conflict, disease, low birth rate of that species, high genetic vulnerability, and particular species is rare to begin with. These are the major causes of the species extinction. Mass extinction are periodic rises in the extinction rate above the background level. Basically, these are the events which are not caused by change in the habitat or competition, but it occurs due to natural disaster. The Ordovician Silurian extinction occurred about 439 million years ago due to a drop in sea levels as glaciers formed, followed by rising the sea levels as glaciers melted. During this extinction, 25% of marine families and 60% of marine genera were lost. Late Devonian extinction took place somewhere around 364 million years ago. To this day, its cause is unknown. However, evidence supporting the Devonian mass extinction, suggesting that warm water marine species were the most severely affected in this extinction event. Permian Triassic extinction that occurred about 251 million years ago and was Earth's worst mass extinction, in which 95% of all species were killed, and 53% of marine families, 84% of marine genera, and 70% of land species, including the plants, insects, and vertebrate animals, were killed during this catastrophe. Direct evidence from this period has not been found, but many scientists believe a comet or asteroid impact led to this extinction. End-Triassic extinction that occurred roughly about 199 million to 214 million years ago and was most likely caused by massive floods of lava erupting from the central Atlantic magmatic province, triggering the breakup of Pangaea and opening of the Atlantic Ocean. In eastern United States, eastern Brazil, North Africa, and Spain, 22% of marine families, 52% of marine genera, and an unknown percentage of vertebrate death occurred due to this disaster. Cretaceous tertiary extinction occurred about 65 million years ago and is thought to have been aggravated. During this extinction, 16% of marine families, 47% of marine genera, and 18% of land vertebrate families killed, including the dinosaurs. Now we will discuss about the some extinct species of the world, including the animal and plant species. Extinct species of the animal in the world: the dodo, that was a medium large size flightless bird that was discovered in 1590s and declared extinct less than a century later in 1681. Saber-toothed tiger. It is one of the most well-known prehistoric animal which is now extinct. It mostly eat the deer, woolly mammoth, etc. It lived in the forest and grassland. Next animal extinct species is woolly mammoth. Was an enormous mammal that once roamed the vast frozen northern landscapes in large size. It had long, thick hairs and has many tusks and ate grasses, twigs, and rushes. Passenger pigeon or wild pigeon is an extinct species of the pigeon that was endemic to North America. Its common name is derived from French word passenger, meaning passing by, due to the migratory habits of that species. Next extinct species is quokka. That's a It is the subspecies of plain zebra that lived in South Africa until the 19th century. It was long thought to be a distinct species, but genetic studies have shown to be the southernmost subspecies of plain zebra. It is considered particularly close to Burchell's zebra, means they resemble to that species of the zebra. Thylacine was the largest known carnivorous marsupial of modern times. It is commonly known as the Tasmanian tiger or Tasmanian wolf. Native to continental Australia, the Tasmania and New Guinea, it is believed to have become extinct in 20th century. Great auk is a species of flightless alcid that became extinct in mid-19th century. It was only the modern species in genus Pingunus. It is unrelated to the birds now known as Pingunus, which were discovered later and so named by sailors because of their physical resemblance to great auk. Next is the golden toad that was present in Costa Rica and is not the only species to disappear in past 40 years, but it might just be the brightest. This fluorescent amoeban was found in high altitude ridges of Costa Rica, but thanks to pollution, global warming and fungal skin infection, Medarian large white butterfly was found in the valleys of Loures Silva forest on the Portugal's Madeira island, and it is extinct due to the loss of habitat due to construction as well as pollution and from agricultural fertilizers are two major causes of species extinction. How many plants are extinct? In last 250 years, more than 400 plants thought to be extinct have been rediscovered and 200 others have been reclassified as a different living species. That leaves approximately 571 species confirmed extinct in the last 250 years, vanishing at a rate of roughly 18 to 26 extinctions per million species per year. Now we discuss the some extinct species of the plant like the Sigillaria. It is the genus of extinct spore-bearing tree-like plant. It was Lycopodium Podiophyte and is related to Lycopsid or club mosses, but even more closely related to quillworts, as was it associated to the Lepidodendron. Next is the Lepidodendron, also known as scale tree. It is an extant genus of primitive vascular arborescent plant related to Lycopsid. They were the part of the coal forest flora. They sometimes reached the heights of over 30 meters, and trunks were often over 1 meter in diameter, sometimes also known as giant club mosses. They were actually more closely related to today's quillworts than to the modern club mosses. Araucaria mirabilis, it is an extant species of coniferous trees from Patagonia, Argentina. It belongs to the section Banea of genus Araucaria, the only living species of which is Araucaria bidwilli from Australia. Araucaria mirabilis are known for large amounts of very well preserved silicified wood and cones, including tree trunks that reached 100 meters in height in whole life cycle. Saint Helena, it was an island endemic, native Saint Helena in the South Atlantic Ocean. Despite its name, it was unrelated to true olive, the last remaining tree in the wild died in 1994, and the last remaining individual in cultivation died in December 2003. Despite the conservation effort, cycads are seed plants with long fossil history that were formerly more abundant and more diverse than they are today. They typically have a stout and woody trunk with a crown of large, hard, and stiff evergreen leaves. They usually have pinnate leaves. The individual plants are either all male or all female, means they are dioecious. And they are vary in size from having trunk only a few centimeter to several centimeter tall. Because of their superficial resemblance, they are sometimes mistakenly for palm or fern, but they are not closely related to either group. They typically grow very slowly and live very long. Franklinia is a monotypic genus in the tea plant family, that is the Theaceae, and the also species in this genus is a flowering tree, that is the Franklinia altama, commonly called the Franklinia tree and native to Altama River Valley in Georgia, in southeastern United States. It has been extinct in the wild since the early 19th century but survives as cultivated ornamental tree. Erica pyramidalis or pyramid hat was a species of Erica that was endemic to the city of Cape Town, South Africa. It was driven to extinction by early 20th century due to habitat destruction from expanding cities. Viola crayana, commonly known as cry violet or cry pansy, is an extinct plant species from violet genus Viola, which was endemic to French department Yonne, and Viola crayana was discovered in 1860 but first described in 1878. These are some animals that are extinct from wild in Pakistan. And there are some plant species that extinct from Pakistan. The species we lost in 2019 are 3 bird species, 2 frogs, a shark, a famous snail, and one of the world's most largest water fish. There are some references, and thank you so much for your attention.